Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to Umm Al Qura Education System e-learning. It's your English lecture, and I am your English teacher Anam. Hopefully, you are fine and doing great with your families wherever you are. Just keep learning. So, you know that we have already discussed indefinite tense and continuous tense, so we will continue with the tenses. Today, I am going to introduce present perfect tense. So, let's start. Definition of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, obviously, as you can understand by the name, perfect tells us about a time period in which verb is perfectly done or completed. Verb, you know that it's an action word, is called verb. Everything you are doing is called a verb. For example, I am talking or delivering a lecture, it's a verb. Okay, so it tells us about the verb which is perfectly done. You have started some work and you have completed your work in the given time, it's called perfect. Okay, now when to use perfect tense? When to use perfect tense? Obviously, we are talking about present perfect tense. It tells us about work which is done recently or in near past. Something we have started and completed in the given time. It maybe it is done recently, we are talking about yesterday, or maybe it was uh, a near time in the morning also. Okay, so now we will move to other of the tenses. I have told you so many times. What is good to know? Very good. It's helping verb. Which helping verb should be used with singular forms and which helping verb should be used with plural form? So we use has with singular form. As you can see, he has, she has, it has, noun, singular name, has. Now for plural form, we have, you have, they have, etc. Okay, so which form of helping verbs we are going to use in this? He has and have. Now we will move to our the next step is examples. We are going to discuss a few examples related to present perfect tense. Number one is he has gone to the library. He singular, we use has. Helping verb with singulars, I have already explained that. We have shopped in this market, we plural, and have for plurals. The last example is you. How to form present perfect tense? First of all, we are going to discuss here affirmative sentences or simple sentences. I have told you that when you are making affirmative sentences, first will come subject, after that will come has, have, then third form of verb for perfect tense, and in the last will object. Subject is necessary, after that helping verb, then form of verb, and in the last is object. Here are few examples of present perfect tense. I have written articles on different topic. I, subject, have, helping verb, written, write is the first form and written is the third form, articles on different topics. Next one is he has read various kinds of books. He, singular, has, helping verb, read, third form of verb, various kinds of book, object. They have played football. They, subject, have, helping verb which is used for plurals, and played, third form of verb in the last is football. She has taken coffee. She, singular, has, helping verb, taken, third form of verb, coffee is your object. So this was the making and explanation of affirmative. We will move to the next one, which is negative. How to form negative sentences of present perfect tense? It's very easy. We just have to add not. First will come subject, then has, have, which is our helping verb, not to make it negative, third form of verb, and in the last is object. Simple, just have to add not. Next one, we are going to discuss few examples over here. I have not written articles on different topic. I, subject, have, helping verb, not to make it negative, written, third form of verb of write, articles on different topic, subject, he has not read various kinds of book, and third one, they have not played football, she has not taken coffee. Hopefully it will be clear for you. Now we will move to the last part of present perfect tense, which is how to make interrogation or question of present perfect tense. It's very easy. First will come helping verb, which is has and have. After that will come subject, third form of verb, and in the last is object. Okay, here are few examples. Have I written article on different topics? Has he read various kinds of books? Have they played football? And has she taken coffee? You can see these are all helping verbs: have, has, have, has. Then rest of the sentence is same. So this was our topic for today. If you have any related to the topic, you can contact us on the given numbers or information I have shared over here. Please like our YouTube channel and subscribe it. This is our Facebook link. Kindly go and check out our Facebook page also. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.